How you going? Damien from Great Annexe Company. Here today to show you how to install your new anti-flap kit that you purchased off us. When they come in the box, they will come in two pairs and they will be separate like that. First part, undo the little stainless steel screws. You can use an impact driver or a screwdriver, whatever you have handy. We're going to take them completely out. Tip the anti-flap kit up and the bar is going to come out. We are going to turn the bar around and reinstall the screws. Always starting with your fingers first. You don't want to strip that. Make sure it's in the right spot. From there we can grab our screwdriver, tighten it back up. If you have the impact driver, use the impact driver. Doesn't have to be too tight, don't over tighten it. From there, you're going to join them together. I just find it's easier to have the little nut there upside down so it goes straight in. And we're going to open up our clamp. Once we open it, we can see how it works. Okay. From here, we're going to grab it. It's all installed, ready to go. Up on the Caravan, we have a pre-fitted clamp. Got a little hooky end goes in. On our roller drum, we have a pre-drilled hole. We've got a spear that goes in that hole. So we're going to put the hook on the end. Going to make sure that our flap goes over the top of our awning skin. And we're going to put the spear into the hole. Lock it up so it's nice and sturdy and doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to grab our pincher fingers in the back of my thumb. Just going to pinch the skin, push the back of the thumb on the anti-flap kit. Going to lock up one clip first at the bottom, one clip first at the top. Now my awning skin is tight. Further lock the remaining clips. Now we have an awning and it's clamped in there nice and tight. It's going to be way better in the wind, give yourself a better night's sleep, and better peace of mind knowing that it's all nice and structurally sound as much as we can. If there's any other further questions we can help you with, contact us at Great Annexe Company. Thank you.